This question is for Noah. What if you had a mole of moles? Not one mole. Not 1,000. A mole of moles, 6. 022 times 10 superscript 2 superscript 3 furry, tunnel-digging mammals gathered in one place. At first, it sounds ridiculous. But this number is so enormous that it transforms a tiny animal into something world-changing. Before we continue, we need to understand what a mole means. In science, a mole is a counting unit, just like a dozen means 12. But a mole means 602 sextillion 214 quintillion 76 quadrillion. Chemists use it for atoms and molecules because those exist in unimaginably large quantities. Now imagine applying that number to actual moles. An average mole weighs about 75 grams. Alone, it's harmless. But a mole of moles would weigh roughly 45 quintillion kilograms, nearly half the mass of Earth's moon. If all those moles appeared in space, gravity would slowly pull them together. The enormous cloud would collapse inward, forming a gigantic sphere. Pressure would rise. The moles at the center would be crushed beneath unimaginable weight. Eventually, a strange new world would emerge, a planet made entirely of moles. Its surface would be layers of fur and organic matter. Deep inside, heat and pressure would turn the interior into a vast ocean of compressed biological material. Methane and other gases would build up until massive eruptions blasted organic debris into space. But what if a mole of moles appeared on Earth? The result would be catastrophic. The volume would be so large that oceans, forests, cities, and mountains would disappear beneath an endless blanket of animals. Sunlight would struggle to reach the ground. Ecosystems would collapse. Human civilization would have no time to react and nowhere to escape. Yet the most fascinating part isn't the destruction. It's the number itself. This thought experiment reveals that when quantities become large enough, even the smallest things stop being small. Multiply anything by a mole, and it becomes something far greater than an object. It becomes a world. So what if you had a mole of moles? You wouldn't have a pest problem. You'd create an entirely new planet born from one of science's biggest numbers.